India's fashion and apparel industry is changing faster than ever before. Today, clothing is no longer just about necessity, it's about identity, lifestyle, and personal expression. Among all apparel categories, T-shirts have become one of the most powerful and profitable products, especially in a country where the majority of the population is young, digitally active, and trend-conscious. From college students and working professionals to fitness enthusiasts and eco-conscious buyers, T-shirts are worn by everyone, across every age group and income level. What makes the T-shirt business even more attractive is its low entry barrier, high customization potential, and strong online demand. Whether it's graphic prints, oversized streetwear, sustainable cotton, or corporate branding, the opportunities are vast. We will walk you through how to start a T-shirt business in India step by step. We will cover in this video target audience, market research and analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning, funding and investment options, profit margin, company incorporation and legal compliance, supporting documentation, strategic guidance from Market Research Universe. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRUnavigator for business planning. MRUnavigator for business planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. The first and most important step in starting a T-shirt business is understanding who you are selling to. Your target audience decides your design style, fabric quality, pricing, and marketing platforms. In India, the key target segments include college students and Gen Z who are always on the lookout for trendy designs at, affordable prices. Then there are urban millennials who tend to prefer premium fits, minimal designs, and a bit of brand storytelling. Corporate and institutional buyers form another large segment purchasing T-shirts in bulk for things like promotions, events, and uniforms. Market research and analysis. The Indian apparel market is valued at over $100 billion, and the T-shirt segment is growing at a strong double-digit rate. Start by studying current market trends, popular styles, and pricing strategies of both local and international competitors. Online-first and D2C brands are driving this growth, supported by social media marketing and e-commerce platforms. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are showing rapid adoption due to affordable pricing and easy online access. Key trends include customization, print-on-demand models, sustainable fashion, and influencer-led brands. At the same time, competition is intense, with both established brands and unorganized local players. Marketing and sales strategy. Now that you have a deep understanding of your market, it's time to craft a robust marketing and sales strategy. Start by defining your brand's unique value proposition. What makes your T-shirt stand out from the rest? Leverage digital marketing channels like Instagram, Facebook, and influencer collaborations to build brand awareness and engage with your target audience. Consider running targeted ads and seasonal campaigns to boost visibility and drive sales. Don't overlook the power of offline marketing. Pop-up stalls, college events, and local exhibitions can help you connect directly with customers. Finally, monitor your sales data and customer feedback regularly to refine your approach and maximize your business growth. Financial planning. Financial planning is critical to sustainability. Design and sampling. 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh, 50,000 rupees. Fabric and manufacturing. 2 lakhs rupees to 6 lakhs rupees. Printing. DTG, screen printing. 1 lakh rupees to 3 lakhs rupees. Branding and packaging. 1 lakh rupees to 3 lakhs rupees. Website and e-commerce setup. 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh 50,000 rupees. Marketing and promotions. 1 lakh 50,000 rupees to 4 lakhs rupees legal and compliance. 40,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees total estimated investment. 8 lakhs rupees to 20 lakhs rupees. Funding and investment options. Once you've mapped out your financial plan, the next crucial step is securing the right funding for your T-shirt business. There are multiple ways to fund your T-shirt business. Many founders start with bootstrapping, using personal savings. Bank loans and MSME financing help with working capital and equipment purchase. Mudra loans are suitable for small-scale apparel units. For scaling, angel investors can support branding and marketing expansion. Government initiatives under Startup India and textile schemes offer subsidies and benefits. Crowdfunding is gaining popularity, especially for sustainable and community-driven brands. Profit margin, a critical factor that determines the long-term sustainability of your T-shirt business. Your profit margin is the difference between the cost of producing each T-shirt and the price at which you sell it. To maximize your profits, it's essential to carefully manage your production costs, source materials efficiently, and set competitive yet profitable selling prices. Remember, a healthy profit margin not only covers your expenses, but also allows you to reinvest in your business, expand your offerings, and weather market fluctuations. Company incorporation and legal compliance. Once your business plan is ready and your profit margins are mapped out, the next crucial step is formalizing your T-shirt business through proper company incorporation and legal compliance. Small businesses may start as a sole proprietorship, while LLPs or private limited companies are better for long-term growth and investor funding. Mandatory registrations include GST, trade license, and MSME registration. Trademark registration protects your brand name and logo. If you plan to export, an import-export code is required. Proper compliance builds trust with customers, partners, and investors. Supporting documentation. Proper documentation is the backbone of a legally compliant and efficiently run T-shirt business. These include vendor agreements, fabric quality certificates, trademark documents, GST filings, invoices, and website legal policies. Clear documentation helps avoid disputes and ensures smooth operations. Strategic guidance from Market Research Universe. At every step of your T-shirt business journey, strategic guidance can make all the difference. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation. Our solution, MRUnavigator, India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy, and business planning platform and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRUnavigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRUnavigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform. Strategic guidance from Market Research Universe. At every step.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% of startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It's basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then For that case, your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. Your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set, and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mirdul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 80 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh program in market research and business consulting. So till the time I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I'm also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRUnavigator. Now this is an India-based and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course through this platform our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion, and your skill set. And through this platform we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship, and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market forecasting, and then find out the best profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success. Okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days. Okay, after that, in the second step, we're gonna work on on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that, or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that, and then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're gonna launch that right successfully. And in the third step, we're gonna continue with your branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.